In this video, I will show you how to insert a picture into a table with a fixed size. Let's get started. First, create a table in Microsoft Word by going to the Insert tab and selecting Table. Adjust the rows and columns as needed. Next, right-click on the cell where you want to insert the picture and select Table Properties. Under the Row and Column tabs, set the desired height and width to fix the size of the cell. Now, click inside the cell, go to the Insert tab, and select Pictures to add your image. Once the picture is inserted, resize it within the cell if necessary to fit perfectly. And that's it. If you found this video helpful, give it a like. For more tech videos like this, subscribe. Catch you later.